morning. Hello everyone. I hope you are all fine, doing good at your homes. I warmly welcome to you all children since we are not in position to meet each other directly for few more days. We will have some of our sections through this channel. So I request each and everyone to be concentrate on the topic that is going to be taught in this video. My name is Mrs. Delphine. I am the class teacher of first standard. I am going to teach you English. Before going to our class, I would like to ask you some more questions. Are you ready, children? Are you ready? Name the birds what you have seen around your surroundings. I repeat. Name the birds what you have seen around your surroundings. I know that you may be seen. Crow, duck, parrot, pigeon, sparrow. Birds can fly high. Some birds cannot fly high. Birds can fly high, but some birds cannot fly high. Birds cannot live without water. Birds can live without water? No, birds cannot live without water like us. Do you live without water, children? No, we cannot live without water. Yes or no? We cannot live without water. Hey! These are my pets. You can watch and enjoy it. These are my pets. Do you like children? Let me explain lesson 2, Best Bird. Children, open your textbook, page 24. This story tells about conversation between types of birds here. Owl, duck, parrot, ostrich, penguin. Owl, duck, parrot, ostrich, penguin. O-W-L, owl. T-U-C-K, duck. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. O-W-L, owl. D-U-C-K, duck. P-A-R-R-O-T, parrot. O-S-T-R-I-C-H, ostrich. P-E-N-G-U-I-N, penguin. Here we see parrot, ostrich, owl, duck, penguin. Parrot, ostrich, owl, duck, penguin. Let me explain about owl. Owl. The owl says, "Look at me. I am the best bird. I can fly. I can hoot." Do you know, children, what is the meaning of hoot? Hoot means the sound of an owl. Hoot means the sound of an owl. The owl makes noise. Hoot, 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 hoot. And owl says that I can see long away. Owl says that I can see long way. And also owl said I can hide among their leaves. Owl says that I can hide among the leaves. The second word about duck. Here the duck. The duck says quack quack, quack quack, quack quack, quack quack. Here in this story, the duck says I can dive. What the duck says here? I can dive. Dive means here to go under the water or jump into the water. Dive means to go under the water and jump into the water. First lesson. Might you learnt about Mohan's pet? Who is that? Is that Kiki the parrot? Do you like the parrot? Children, do you like the parrot? Which color is it? It is in green color. Here our story. The parrot says, I can talk. I can sing. What the parrot says in our story? I can talk. I can sing. Fourth one, let me explain about ostrich. Here the ostrich. Ostrich says that I can run fast, but I cannot fly. What the ostrich says? I can run fast, but I cannot fly. Last but not least, fifth one, penguin. Here the penguin. A penguin says, I can slide on ice, but I cannot fly. What the penguin says here? I can slide on ice, but I cannot fly. Do you know what is the meaning of slide, children? Slide means smooth sloping surface. What? Slide means smooth sloping surface. I think so. Must be you enjoyed by playing with slide in a previous class. Is it correct? Yes. At last, the owl learned from others that everyone is best at something. What the owl says? At last, the owl learned from others that everyone is best at something. The owl says to baby owl, you are my best bird. The owl says that baby, you are my best bird. So children, today's topic I hope you all understood. Let me meet again tomorrow. Thank you.